In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily refresh your emails using Outlook on both desktop and the web. Whether you're expecting that important reply or aiming to stay on top of all your communications, these steps will help you ensure your inbox is up to date without missing a beat. Let's begin with Outlook on your desktop. First, make sure you have the Outlook application open. You'll want to navigate to the top of your screen and find the Send/Receive button on the toolbar. Clicking on this button is an effective way to manually update your mailbox. By doing this, you're giving Outlook the prompt to go ahead and retrieve any new emails waiting in your server that haven't yet made it into your inbox. If you're someone who prefers keyboard shortcuts, you'll be pleased to know there's a faster option. Simply press the F9 key on your keyboard, and that will perform the same action without needing a mouse. It's a great time-saving tip if you find yourself refreshing frequently. Now, if you're instead using Outlook on the web, refreshing your emails is just as straightforward but with a slight twist. Once you have your Outlook web application open and you're logged into your account, pay a quick visit to the browser tab where your Outlook is running. Go ahead and refresh the tab. This action will trigger the web app to check for new messages and update your inbox automatically. Think of it akin to giving your web page that revitalizing breath of fresh air. It occasionally needs to make sure everything is running smoothly and up to date. However, there may be times when you find that refreshing doesn't quite do the trick. Perhaps your emails aren't showing up as expected. In these instances, it's a smart move to check your connection status. For a desktop, make sure you're connected to the internet and that there aren't any interruptions that might be affecting the syncing process. Outages or weak signals can mean new messages aren't able to pull through to your device. Similarly, if you find that the web version is sluggish or failing to update, double check your network strength. Sometimes simply restarting your router or even your computer can solve these hiccups. With these steps, refreshing your Outlook inbox becomes a seamless and straightforward process. Always ensure that your device maintains a good internet connection. And remember, keeping your inbox refreshed is an excellent habit for staying on top of your email game. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next session.